You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this movie, or this French phrase. If you want to learn more confusing movie names, French names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Cherchez la femme is the French pronunciation here. Chercher means you have to look for the woman, la femme. Cherchez la femme, French pronunciation, how to pronounce. Cherchez la femme. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.